How to replace a Human Touch Novo XT Pro Plus right side cover with power switch and Ethernet port. You will need a 12-inch magnetized 4mm Allen wrench, 6mm Allen wrench, Phillips head screwdriver, and a needle-nosed pliers. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Using a 6mm Allen wrench, remove the bolt that secures the front of the side panel to the chair. Unzip the backrest pad from the side panel. Slide the side panel forward, then lift it to detach it. Do not pull the side panel any farther away from the chair than is necessary to access the hoses and connectors, to avoid damaging the connectors. Detach the air hoses. Disconnect the connectors. Remove the side panel from the chair. Lift the calf massager, then use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 4 screws that secure the plastic plate to the inside of the right side cover, then remove the plate. Using a 6mm Allen wrench, remove the bolt that secures the front of the side cover. Using a long-handled magnetized 4mm Allen wrench, remove the 2 screws that secure the top of the side cover. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the rear side cover screw. Tip the top of the side cover toward you, then disconnect the connector from the Ethernet port. Using a needle-nosed pliers, disconnect the 4 wires from the power switch. Tip the top of the side cover toward the chair to disengage the lower rear tab, then remove the side cover. Now, let's replace it. Place the new cover into position next to the chair, then reconnect the power switch wires. It is imperative that the wires are reconnected with the lighter blue wire in the lower right, as you are facing the inside of the panel, the orange wire in the lower left, the red wire in the upper right, and the darker blue wire in the upper left. Connect the black cable to the Ethernet port. Note the tab on the inside rear of the side cover. Slide the tab under the edge of the rear plastic shroud, then raise the side cover. Replace the rear side cover screw. Replace the 2 4mm Allen screws to secure the top of the cover. Lift the calf massager, then replace the 6mm Allen bolt to secure the front of the cover. Note that one of the 4 screws that secure the plastic plate is smaller than the others. Place the plastic plate into position, then, using one of the larger screws, replace and partially tighten the upper right screw. Using one of the larger screws, replace the upper left screw. Finish tightening the upper right screw. Using one of the larger screws, replace the lower left screw. Replace the smaller lower right screw. Note the horseshoe bracket and the horizontal bracket on the side panel. Note the corresponding post and the horizontal frame on the chair. Connect the hoses in numerical order, making sure each hose is installed all the way onto the fitting. Connect the connectors. Install the side panel onto the chair by sliding the horseshoe bracket over the post, then lowering the horizontal bracket onto the horizontal chair frame. Zip the side panel to the backrest pad. Replace the bolt and washer to secure the front of the side panel. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.